Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the media and project settings so tracking is reliable. Open VN, grant camera and mic access, then import your footage. Choose a frontal, well-lit clip. Noise ruins tracking. Create a new project and set the timeline to 16:9 and matching FPS to the clip. Once done, scrub the timeline to a representative frame and pause. This gives you the frame you'll use to initialize face tracking. Next, move to markers and effects to start tracking. You now apply VN's face tracking effect and tune it. Select the clip, open effects, and add the face tracking tool. This detects the face and creates a tracking layer. Resize the detection box to fit the subject's face tightly, then choose auto tracking for simple motion or manual keyframes when occlusion occurs. Make sure to add facial anchors or masks for eyes, mouth, or nose so overlays stick precisely. Once the tracker runs, step through frames and correct any drift by moving keyframes slightly. Consistency matters. You finish by attaching your graphic elements to the tracking layer and checking the result in full playback. Position stickers, captions, or blur on the facial anchors, then render a short test export at the original codec and resolution to verify sync and motion stability. If you see drift or jitter, rerun tracking on short segments, improve contrast with temporary color adjustments, or insert manual keyframes where the algorithm fails. One key tip: when persistent drift happens, track in chunks rather than a single long pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.